Hi, this is Del again, and I'm going to show you how to use a Google Doc for your assignments and your homework in conjunction with a Google Calendar. So if a Google Calendar event does not work for you, meaning it's not enough space, it doesn't really suit your teaching mojo, you can use a Google Doc to do that. I've created a Google Doc here as a demonstration, and I made a little table. This is my format. Maybe it would work for me back in, when I was teaching in the classroom. I will recommend that you always put the most recent date on top so that people aren't scrolling forever and you get the I couldn't find it excuse. So make sure you have your most recent assignments at top. You can just copy and paste the table, fill in the needed information. You can color code, you can highlight, you can put links to videos, whichever way you want to set this up. But if this is what works for you, then you can share this via a link onto Google Calendar. And you want to hit the share button, and you want to get a shareable link, and you want to make sure it's on Can View. You do not want Can Edit. That would be bad. People would be able to edit your assignment. So make sure you're on View and copy the link. This link is now good enough to go put in a Google Calendar and share with the world. However, me personally, I like to shorten my links, so you do not have to take this step, but aesthetically speaking, it looks nicer. You can find a URL shortener like Google URL shortener. There's other ones available like bit.ly and tinyURL. And in essence, what you'll be doing is taking a ginormous link, pasting it, and shortening it, and it'll spit out a shortened link. Okay, so here's our shortened link, and that's what you can put in the calendar. It just looks nicer. You don't have to do this. It's a little bit easier on the eyes and the people that are clicking on the link. This is what we can go put in our calendar. So I've already set up a little demonstration one here for today's date. I put my last name, that's the convention that we use here at this school, your subject, and you can put a link here. You can also put the link in the description box, which will become a hyperlink. I recommend putting it in the description box as well. And if you have a color coding system in your school for whatever subject, by all means pick that color and hit save. Now the assignment's there, and it will be on the web page where the homework is. Let me give this page a refresh here and I'll show you. So grade 6. Homework, there it is, and people will be able to copy and paste the link from here. They'll be able to copy and paste from here. They can go to more details and hyperlink here. I can't do it because I'm in-house and the filters will block it, but in the outside world, people will be able to click on this link and see your document the way that you have prepared it. And you can instantaneously change it. It's great to have one place for information. Okay, now let's be a little smart about this, and if you're going to continue to use that Google Doc, you're going to always use this format. What you can do is just put a link in it every day. So in your calendar, you can do a repeat on an event. So I'm on the event, I'm editing it. You can set it to repeat, and you can repeat daily if you'd like, and for however many instances, or you can make it end at the end of the school year. Maybe you teach the same set of classes, and you're going to use that same doc all the time. Go ahead and go through the whole school year and end in June, or, depending on snow, perhaps July. Whatever works for you. Maybe you switch classes this semester. Okay, go as far as you like. What that will do is put in multiple copies. So I'm going to cancel this, and through the magic of television, like cooking shows, I've already done this with the grade 7 homework calendar. I took my assignment and I repeated it. So for the whole month, and I think I did it all the way through January, that will always be there. So when parents and students go to the public website to find out what homework is for grade 7, I have just had it permanently set in here that, well, you will always go to this link to find out what's for homework, because I'd rather you look at this than do a calendar event. All right, I hope that helps. Again, I'm here to help you. If you need me, you can contact me extension 1237 or by email, and I'm happy to come show you some more tips and tricks. Remember, just do things once. It makes it easier than trying to change it multiple times. Thank you.